The Skoda has been a good car. It's a strong, well-built car, and we're happy with what we have. It's quite an outdated machine, but nonetheless, still very competitive under control of the right person. So we hope to think that we like to think that we have what it takes to bring it to the top position amongst our fellow Kenyans. But yeah, it's a good test. It's the same car, the same engine, the same body we used in Tanzania where we won last year. So hopefully nothing will change and we'll be able to accomplish an equal result in Safari.